In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges into QuickBooks. It's a straightforward process that will help you keep track of your expenses with ease, ensuring that your financial records are always up to date. To get started, first, open QuickBooks on your computer or device. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. QuickBooks is a powerful tool designed to help you manage your finances efficiently, and entering credit card charges accurately is a key part of this process. Once inside QuickBooks, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the New button. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it's where most of your data input will begin. Clicking on New opens up a menu with different transaction types and other options relevant to your accounting needs. Next, from the menu that appears after clicking New, you want to select the Bank Deposit option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're dealing with charges, but don't worry. This step is necessary in order to categorize your credit card transactions correctly within QuickBooks. After selecting Bank Deposit, you'll be presented with various fields to fill out. Take your time to ensure each part is completed correctly. You'll need to input the date of the transaction. Ensuring accurate dates is crucial as this affects your financial reporting and helps track your expenses by period. Now, find the section that deals with the account or credit card you want to record charges for. Select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu. This step links your charge to the correct financial account, ensuring that all future reporting and analysis will be coherent and insightful. Next, you must enter the details of each charge individually. Add the payee's name, which is the entity you paid, and enter a brief description in the memo field for clarity. This practice helps maintain transparency and can be especially useful when tracing back transactions during audits or reviews. Then, enter the amount of the charge. Accuracy is crucial here to avoid discrepancies in your account balances. After entering the amount, double-check all the information you have input to ensure everything reflects the actual transaction accurately. Once you've confirmed all the details, review the entire entry one last time. This final check is a great habit that can prevent errors from slipping through, keeping your records pristine and accurate. Finally, click Save and then Close to complete the process. Your credit card charge is now successfully recorded in QuickBooks. With each successful entry, managing your finances becomes easier, enabling you to gain insights into your spending habits and make more informed financial decisions. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to entering credit card charges in QuickBooks. With practice, you'll soon be able to do this swiftly and accurately. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.